DGP Monday. Had to find some nouns first. I'm bringing up my cheat sheet. Make sure you guys slowly raise your hands and be brave enough to be right or wrong, whichever one it might be. Either one is great. What do we have for nouns? What's that? Dance is a noun. You were correct. Dance is a noun. It is a thing. It's also possibly a location, but or so it could be a place, but it is definitely a thing. Okay. That's our one common noun. The rest are pronouns. School is not a noun in this case. School is not a noun. So the other two are going to be pronouns. Anybody get one of them? What you got, Lane? You is a pronoun. Okay. It falls underneath that classification of personal pronouns, right? So if you look at personal pronouns, again, I think some of you are resisting using your help notes because you're used to having an easy way with things, but you got to think through this one. Look through our pronouns. It's going to be in the personal pronoun section. So what do we have? We got to say it's first person, second person, or third person. So first off, is it first, second, or third? It is second. You is an example of second person. Okay, you is a version or is an example of second person. Is it just naming a person? Like, is it being used as a name, or is it pointing to an object? So is it naming a person or is it pointing to an object? It's a person, right? We're saying that the person's name in this case is you. So second person nominative pronoun. It's literally what nominative means, is that it's naming someone in the sentence, typically the subject, as a person. Okay? So we have one more. Myself, I should say it? Or saying yourself as a pronoun? Because it sounded like a question. So, Brooke, I thought you were telling me that I should answer it myself. Oh, sorry, Ben. Ben, so you're saying I should answer it myself, or are you saying the pronoun is yourself? You asked the question again. So be brave. You're right. Yourself is the pronoun. If you look underneath reflexive, pronouns, okay? If you see self, it's reflexive. And think of a reflection, right? A reflexive pronoun is one that reflects on the individual. So we're talking about the self. Does that make sense? So our abbreviation is REF. Our abbreviation is REF. I think what has us thrown off is that I've said school was not a noun. I think it's still messing with us. We have two pronouns. Or I'm sorry, we have two adjectives. Right? Two? Yep, two adjectives. Anybody get one of them? One of them does not have ADJ above it. It has something different. What do you got, Kendall? The is a pronoun. What's Hebrew? And I'm sorry, is an adjective. I apologize. The is an adjective. You're right. Are we putting ADJ above it? What are we putting above it? ART. So we're confident once I know I'm right, but don't be afraid to be wrong. Fear of failure is the same as fear of success. It's the same fear. Because there's only two possible solutions, right or wrong. You're all right. Take a gamble. Three articles in the English language: a, an, and the. Right? All right. One more adjective. What you got, Lane? It is. School, though it can be a noun, in this case is being used as an adjective. It's describing what kind of dance we're having. So in this case, school is an adjective. Two prepositions. Are you asking me again? That still sounded like a question. What you got, Holden?
Two.
Two is a preposition. If you check your preposition list, that is a preposition. We have one more preposition. By. Very good. Okay. Sort of. You asked it as a question first, Ben. All right. So we have our two prepositions. If we have prepositions on Monday, what does that mean we have on Tuesday?
Prepositional phrase.
We have a prepositional phrase. We actually have two prepositional phrases. All right. So we have three verbs. We have three words left. You have to tell me what kind of verb we have here. What you got, Kylie?
Should is a helping verb.
You are correct. Should is a helping verb. Very good. So we just need to figure out what type of verb have and gone are. Any guesses? It's like pulling teeth right now. Apparently I've gone into dentistry. Alex.
Is going AV past?
It is. It is AV past. It's an action verb. You can show go, right? So gone would have just been past tense. You can also show that you have gone through the door by coming into the classroom. All right. So what do we think have is? The look of terror. Kylie, help us out.
Have is LV present.
It is not a linking verb. This one's a weird one. It's a great effort, though. I appreciate your bravery because others were hiding because they're like, I know it's between two of them. Kendall? It is also a helping verb. It is possible to have two helping verbs in one sentence with one verb. You should have gone to the school dance. It's kind of an odd blend of showing the past also with the present tense, that you still believe they should have gone with or gone to the school dance. Questions, concerns, general frustrations about DGP Monday? How many of you are doing better on this than you thought you were going to be at this point? Okay, so be brave enough to give some of those answers because I